Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our writing week, and boy, oh boy, are we going to have some fun this week. So, without further ado, I'm going to let Victoria give us our Monday compass. Victoria?
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. So, this has been an exciting cycle that we've gone through because we've looked at our experience collection and we've looked at modes of expression and how we can use those in order to do captures on our cards in those different modes. And then last week we talked about how to get those into your box and maybe dump them in a collection or collect a little pool, just some ideas about getting it into the note box itself. So, for this week's compass, for our writing week, I'm going to ask you to take a look at the unexpected. Now, I'm not going to spoil it by telling you too much, but we're going to write with a twist this week. So tomorrow, come back and we will explore the unexpected. So with that, I'm going to send it to Kathleen.
Ooh, I can't wait till tomorrow, Victoria. Well, we have been working on the character trait of modesty all this month, but you know there are a number of other character traits that tend to go along with modesty. We'll talk about some of them tomorrow when we get to our map, but I'm going to be inviting you to be thinking about the character traits that go along with modesty and how your portrayal of a character will reflect those traits. And then I have a twist for you too. So you'll have to wait till tomorrow to hear about it. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.